All right, so I'm going to make some homemade barbecue sauce, and it starts with just 1 cup of some ketchup.
Oh, did you use the spicy ketchup or the regular?
This was, well, I don't know. Let me check. Well, we're going in starting spicy. It's actually Whataburger Spicy Ketchup. So there's going to be even more spice. So we got that in here. We've got a couple tablespoons of some brown sugar. In here I've got about half and half, a couple tablespoons of cider vinegar, and a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce going in. And right here, I've got several seasonings. I've got about a half a teaspoon of some Italian seasoning. I've got a 1/4 a teaspoon of some habanero seasoning.
That is spicy.
Some spice here. 1/4 a teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. And I've also got some smoked paprika. I think I got about a teaspoon right there. We're going to put all of that in. Then we're going to continue with the spicy. We're going to put a squirt or so, about a tablespoon of some spicy yellow mustard. We're also going to continue with the spice with a good amount of Tabasco Scorpion sauce. About like a tablespoon or so, so we're just winging it. Then we're just going to mix all this together.
Are you supposed to put it in the fridge for it to cool?
Well, we're going to mix it.
You're about to spill it, dude.
And we're actually, I forgot, we're going to warm this up. We're going to pour it all in this pan.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to heat this up till it simmers a little bit. Yeah, just cook these for about 5 minutes on a low heat. And we'll put it in here and chill it. We still have some. This is the barbecue sauce about a week later. It's still good. That cider vinegar helps preserve it. And I personally think it gets better as it sits in the fridge. And I'm going to try it. Get some pork chop here. I'm going to put it right in. Maybe a fry too. Really spicy, really good.